Falacias. El siguiente programa contiene escenas que pueden afectar su sensibilidad.
Men do associate being able to maintain an erection with being a man. So if they can't do that for whatever reason, I feel that they seem to think that that makes them less of a man.
I would feel self-conscious if my penis was small.
65% of men believe their penis is small, and something like 35% of men believe their penis is too small.
It's something that I've thought about ever since I was 16, 17 years old. I always wondered if there was some sort of way to have a bigger penis. But I have a girlfriend at this point. She never perceived there was any sort of problem with the size, and she doesn't really understand why I'm doing this, because she's definitely not happy with it. If something gets screwed up, I mean, I don't even know what. It'll just be a disaster. This is probably one of the biggest risks I'm taking in my whole life.
Es cierto que el